Hello everyone! Welcome back to our complete parts of speech course. This is lesson 7 of the series. Before we start, if you find the video useful, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot. Thank you. For better learning, don't forget to watch all the lessons in order. The links are in the description. Today's lesson is about prepositions. Let's get started. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between words. It usually tells us about place, time, direction. Simple definition. A preposition shows where, when, or how something happens. Prepositions of place. They tell us where something is. Common prepositions are in, on, under, beneath, next to, between. Examples: the book is on the table. The cat is under the chair. She's sitting next to me. Prepositions of time. They tell us when something happens. Common prepositions of time are as follows: at, on, in. Examples: I wake up at 7 a.m. My birthday is on Monday. We travel in July. Prepositions of direction. These show movement. Common prepositions are as follows: to, into, from, forward, towards. Example: she's going to school. He came from work. The child ran into the room. Common preposition mistakes. She's good in English. No. She's good at English. He arrived to home. No. He arrived home. Mini practice. Choose the correct preposition. Number 1. The keys are in or on the bag. Number 2. I will meet you at or in 5 p.m. Number 3. She walked into or on the room. Here are the answers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Review. Prepositions show place, time, and direction. They come before nouns. They help make sentences clear. Like the video and subscribe for the full course. Next class is gonna be about conjunctions. See you in the next video.